One of the biggest concerns right now is the leaking issue that's coming around here. Now we're on about a 12 pitch, about a 10 pitch, 10 and a half pitch roof. So I'm not going to necessarily get on top of this thing because I am 265 and I don't want to fall off. But I see there's a penetration here. Some of the shingles around the flashing is loose. And we'll probably have to check all of them along the way. I'm going to check inside. But here's a bigger concern that I have here. You do have some pucks, a little bit of blistering there. A little bit of blistering right here. Right there, a little bit of a hail hit. And right there, some blistering. Here's the interesting thing about this entire roof system. This is a GAF Capstone. This roof is no longer made. These shingles are no longer made. It's no longer under warranty. They stopped making this in 2012. So right now, if the insurance company were to see that there's at least one damage on here, guess what? They have to replace your roof, the entire thing, which means that would solve this leaking problem here because all new pipe jacks will be put on, and every last one of your pipe jacks, HVAC, your turtles, everything there will all be replaced, be brand new, and they have to do it. They have no choice. This shingle is no longer made. So that's a quick observation. We're going to go inside, Alan, and check everything else out and make sure that we get you taken care of. Have a great day.